Good afternoon, everyone. It's with great pleasure that I welcome all of you to Mason Korea's fireside chat featuring Ambassador Joseph Yoon, the Chargé d'Affaires at Interim at the U.S. Embassy. We are truly privileged to welcome His Excellency Joseph Yoon, whose presence underscores the vital connections between the Republic of Korea and the United States.
On behalf of George Mason University Korea, I'm honored to host such a distinguished person at Incheon Global Campus, Ambassador Joseph Yoon.